18.
12?
Oh yeah, 12, 18.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You can't even close the door; it'll blow the window out. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Wow, these are pretty big magnet subs.
Oh, yeah.
Hey,
Really beefy.
I finally get to see you in person. Thank you.
Ooh,
Thank
hey,
you.
door open.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you for the daily vlogs.
You're
bro.
welcome. Yes, sir.
Door open.
Door open.
The moment it closed, this windshield is gone, dude.
Okay, yeah, let's not do that.
Yeah.
So can you tell me your name and what's in here real quick, man?
All right. My name is Rodney McFarland, Mr. Escalade PPD.
All right.
Catch my YouTube channel, Escalade PPD.
All right.
In here, I have 12 American-based signature series VFL Comp 18s, B1s. The seal section is 29. The port is 59. And in the back, what's running them is the Terms high voltage 40Ks. I have 3 of them.
Ooh, okay.
Each 40K that I have on 4 subs per 40K at a half on.
Okay.
All right, now these Terms high voltage 40Ks does not connect to the truck at all.
Okay.
There's 22 batteries back there, ran in series for a full total of 277 volts, 20 charge.
Yes, sir. Whoa. That's unique. Okay.
Yeah, and the only thing that's 12 volt is my high amps that I got back here and back here.
Yes, sir.
And I also have a stock alternator. That's all I need.
That's all you need for it.
That's
Yeah.
all I need.
So is this vehicle drivable with all that weight and the battery weight?
Sir, yes,
Wow,
sir.
that's a lot of weight.
A lot of people don't realize it, man, but I've had a lift. I got a lift put on it. I had the front differential and the rear differential gears changed, and it also has the tune, so I'm good. This makes my 4th time to Slamology, and I drove it from Texas. 13 and a half
There
hours.
you go. All right.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
and back.
All right. No trailer. All right.
No
This is
trailer.
awesome. Yeah, I would love to hear this. This is awesome, man.
Appreciate it,
I've
man.
never really heard many high voltage systems.
Oh yeah, it's only a few. I'm the only one in the state of Texas with it, so and I haven't heard any more. But other than that, man, it's all good.
All right. Yes, sir.
Let's get it, man. We're gonna play some of that Louisiana.
All right. So you said you have to, it's so loud you have to keep the doors open?
Last year at Slam, we was parked over that way. I closed the door, and the moment I did, it was out.
Yep.
So I'm just being smart.
Yes, sir. Be smart and safe. Yeah, man.
That's the American-based signature series VFL Comp 18s. Yes, sir.
12 of them.
12 of them.
Oh, yeah.
What you got? What's that?
12 American-based signature series VFL Comp 18.
12?
Oh, yeah. 12, 18.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You can't even close the door; it'll blow the window out.
Fucking last year when you fucking blew the window
That's
out.
what I'm trying not to do right now.
And-
Yeah, I
and-
remember
and-
you
and-
helped me
and
take
remember,
that.
I
Yeah.
tell you,
You wait till-
I-
I'm
I-
trying.
I-
You
I-
wait
I-
till
I-
tomorrow.
I'm trying not to.
You gonna wait till
Appreciate the
tomorrow?
demo. Thank you very
You gonna wait
much.
till tomorrow?
Yeah.
To blow it
No,
out?
I ain't doing
No,
that.
no boy. He's got to drive with this, so.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Man.
Once again, your name?
Mr. Escalade PPD. Let me turn around, man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There we go. There's everything right there. All right, I'm gonna go check out the amps in the back.
All right, man.
Impressive, man. Demo
I'll actually
monster.
come back there because I'm going to explain a little
Hey,
bit
can you
more.
give me one right fast?
I'm going to let them cool.
Wow. So these are all batteries in here.
It's all better. They have to cover it up.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? To make sure nobody touches it.
Yeah, it's safe and plus it's just so much back there. Yeah.
Those are my breakers to turn them on back there in the back.
Okay.
And that's my charger. That charger them up, plug them into a 110
There you go.
outlet.
You don't even need an alternator system because you can just charge it when you're done with the day.
That's it.
All right.
Let's say I leave this show and I don't touch the truck for 3 months. I can jump right back in and start it.
That's awesome.
That's serious, man.
That's
But
cool.
it's 4 18s per deal at a half on.
And so at this high voltage, it's actually rated at 40,000.
40,000, but I'm
Okay.
not going to push.
You're not going to push that, correct?
I
Yeah.
got it set to where it's doing like 25.
25.
For,
Okay.
per 4.
Okay.
So just being
Yeah.
on the smart side.
Yes, sir.
You actually posted a picture of my deal on your page.
It's been a while, yes.
About a year ago.
Yes, sir. Wow.
Go ahead and push it far over.
All right. Yes, sir. I'm ready when you are.
Let's get it rocking, baby.
They call me Bow Bow. Came on this bitch for hands down. HD, you know I be getting to the bag, lot of money. I got bands in my pants, I ain't playing, I ain't studying. I take days, I just dip and move my hands, I be thudding. Drop the hiccup and start jigging, now the kids really love it. Say it. With them bands.
Thank you very much again. Nice to meet you. That was awesome.